Preparing your Android phone for international travel is key to a stress-free trip. This video will guide you through the essential settings to stay connected, safe, and efficient while abroad. Preparation is everything. By creating layers of backup and utilizing offline tools, you can ensure your device remains a reliable travel companion even when you lose your cellular signal. Control your connection and avoid high roaming fees. The best strategy is to keep your home SIM on standby for emergencies while enabling a travel eSIM for your mobile data needs. Getting set up is simple. Download your eSIM profile while on your home Wi-Fi, then activate it once you arrive at your destination. Always review your provider's specific activation rules. If you encounter data issues abroad, don't worry. Simply check that your travel eSIM is selected, toggle your mobile data, enable roaming, or try a quick restart to reconnect in minutes. Don't rely solely on hotel Wi-Fi. Download your maps in advance so you can navigate easily, even in dead zones or areas without any connectivity. Language barriers are easily managed by downloading language packs. Use your phone to type addresses, point your camera at signs for translation, or speak directly with locals. Travel data can disappear quickly. Save your bandwidth by enabling data saver mode and disabling automatic background updates or photo backups while using your mobile network. To ensure your battery lasts all day, turn on battery saver mode. It is also helpful to turn off background wireless scanning to conserve power. Prioritize your security. Secure your lock screen, ensure Find My Device is active, and apply extra protection to your sensitive banking applications before you head out. Be mindful of security risks. Public Wi-Fi and public USB ports can compromise your data security, so it's always safer to use your own secure connection and personal charger. Keep your important information accessible by grouping your travel apps. It is also vital to store offline copies of documents like your passport and keep physical paper backups as a final safety measure. Build layers of redundancy. By combining eSIM data, offline tools, and a reliable power bank, you ensure that one technical failure won't ruin your trip. Before you leave, run through this quick checklist. Confirm your eSIM, download your maps, manage your roaming settings, and verify that your security features are ready to go. With these steps, your Android phone is fully optimized as your ultimate travel companion. You are now prepared to explore the world with confidence.